Hi there! In today's video, we will showcase the top 5 best table saw blades you can buy this year. Let's start. OVERPEAK Table Saw Blade. The OVERPEAK 10-inch table saw blade with 90 teeth is crafted from tougher tungsten carbide, ensuring up to 5x longer cutting life compared to other blades. Its low noise and stable cutting capabilities are facilitated by 6 laser cut expansion slots and 4 stabilizer vents that dissipate heat and reduce blade warp, featuring alternate top bevel teeth. This blade delivers straight and smooth cuts with precision. Suitable for circular saws, table saws, and miter saws, it operates at a maximum revolution per minute of 6,000, making it versatile for various woodworking tasks. Whether you're ripping, cross-cutting, or cutting plywood and laminate, this blade offers exceptional performance and durability, leaving behind a smooth, fast, and perfect cut every time. LUCKYWAY Table Saw Blade. The LUCKYWAY 10-inch table saw blade includes blades with 32 and 60 teeth, each featuring a 5/8-inch arbor. Designed for cutting softwood, hardwood, plywood, and other materials, these blades offer high-quality finish edges with minimal splintering. Crafted from fully hardened steel, the blades resist bending and deflection, ensuring accurate cuts. Their alternating top bevel offset tooth design facilitates smooth cutting by scoring the wood surface in advance, reducing the chance of splintering. With tungsten carbide teeth providing excellent wear and heat resistance, this blade offers efficient chip and swarf removal for enhanced cutting performance. 1BL1040 Table Saw Blade. The 1BL1040 10-inch 40-tooth carbide tip table saw blade is engineered for professional woodworking applications with miter and table saws. With a 10-inch diameter, 5/8-inch arbor, and 6,000 revolution per minute rating, this blade effortlessly slices through both hard and softwoods. Its ultra-thin 1/10-inch kerf ensures clean and efficient cuts, while the 40 carbide tip teeth provide general-purpose wood cutting capabilities. Compatible with most 10-inch miter saws, job site saws, and table saws, this blade offers versatility and precision for a wide range of woodworking projects. With its durable construction and reliable performance, the 1BL1040 is a valuable addition to any woodworking toolkit. DEWALT DW3106P5 Table Saw Blade. The DEWALT DW3106P5 10-inch table saw blade offers 2 blades, a 60-tooth fine finish blade and a 32-tooth general-purpose blade. Crafted from tougher tungsten carbide, these blades stay sharper and longer, ensuring precise and efficient cutting action. Their thin kerf design enables fast and smooth cutting, while the computer balance plate reduces vibration for improved accuracy and finish. Suitable for miter and slide miter saw jobs, these blades are ideal for cutting softwood, hardwood, chipboard, and plywood. With its durable tungsten carbide construction and optimized cutting angles, the DEWALT DW3106P5 blade delivers exceptional performance and longevity for woodworking tasks. FREUD LM72M010 Table Saw Blade. The FREUD LM72M010 10-inch heavy-duty rip blade is engineered for serious woodworkers seeking smooth, fast cuts through hard and softwoods. With a 5/8-inch arbor, 24 carbide tip teeth, and a 20 degrees hook angle, this blade delivers precise, glue-line precision cuts with minimal vibration. Its premium TECO high-density carbide ripping blend ensures maximum performance and durability, while the extra-large, flat-tooth design leaves a smooth finish without the need for sanding or jointing. Featuring laser-cut anti-vibration slots and a silver ice coating for corrosion resistance, this blade offers exceptional balance, accuracy, and longevity. Ideal for heavy-duty ripping tasks, the FREUD LM72M010 blade provides a flawless finish with minimal splintering, making it a must-have for professional woodworking projects. We hope you've enjoyed our video on the best table saw blades. Thanks for watching.